Oh yeah. Away she goes. Oh.
No.
Oh, the nuts, man. We didn't cover the nuts. I hear your dad over there jerking off. Bam, 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 bam. Oh, I got the nuts back on. Come on, Susie. There we go. Oh wait, we missing something?
What's the head at?
The head right here. Talk about it. That's what she said though last night. When you had a cousin there. I can't find it. Where's the tweezers? Well, shit, you need a magnifying glass and a tweezer. I don't know. That looks like a pooper hair to me. Yo, come on, man. It's like your first time putting a condom on. Yeah, I got these nuts in my hand. You made me gay. Come on, here. Where's the money? I'll put it in. I better be getting paid after the show. So where's the screws? Fuck it, I did the whole. I don't know if your thing's big enough. You might not feel nothing, but we'll at least lube it up a little. Alright. Alright. Where the fucking handbars at? What handbars? Alright, fuck it, we eat these nuts. Look at you did. Look what you did. Come on. I gotta get up high. Come on, girl. Come on. Alright, better position. Alright, I'm going.